Hello everyone, welcome back to Abena'sKitchen. In this video, we'll be making okra stew. We've got our okra and our garden eggs. We've got some wele, cow skin, or bamo. And we've got crabs, some fish, and then we've got goat meat. So today we've got Akosia in the kitchen. I'm not cooking today. Akosia will be doing the cooking. She's cutting the goat tripe. She's cooking the wele before adding the other meat. So she added only water, no salt or seasonings, just water. She added this mixed spice to the fish. The fish should be grilled before adding it to the stew. She's adding some seasonings to the goat meat. We've got some beef and steak seasoning. Got black peppercorns. Some all-purpose seasoning. Parsley. And some salt to taste. These are all optional. Use any seasonings of your choice. If you don't have these, use the ones you have in your kitchen. She's blending some ginger, garlic, and onions. She'll be using some for her stew, for the fish, and then for the meat. You can either fry or grill your fish. This is because she doesn't want the fish to mash up in her stew. The wele was cooked for about 10 minutes and then she added the other meat. It's time to chop the okra. Trust me, this is a very simple way of making okra stew. So we've got our garden eggs. So you can either use eggplants or zucchini if you don't get garden eggs, or completely leave it out. It's up to you. He added about half glass of water to the okra, about a teaspoon of baking soda, and she's going to boil it for some time. Baking soda will make the okra slimy. If you don't want your okra to be slimy, just leave it out. So she added the crabs to the meat. The stew should be chopping 2 tomatoes and some onions. You don't need too many tomatoes when making okra stew, especially if you want it to be slimy. So the okra has been cooking for about 10 minutes. I can tell you this is not the usual way of making okra stew, but this method is very simple. She's going to heat some palm oil and then saute the onions. She added the tomatoes in after about 2 minutes of frying the onions. And then she added the onion, ginger, and garlic blend. She's adding some powdered pepper. This is to your taste. You can also use fresh pepper, but then you have to blend it with the onion, ginger, and garlic. So she's adding the meat and the stock, everything to the okra, which is still on fire. So this should be cooked for about 5 to 10 minutes or until the tomatoes are done. She's adding some giawaria spice to it. And then some stock powder. This is crayfish stock powder. And voila, your okra stew is all done. This is so simple, very, very simple method of making okra stew. If you don't want your okra stew to be as thick as this, add more water to your meat when cooking it so you can get more stock. She'll leave it to cook for an extra 5 minutes and that's it. But before that, she'll add the grilled fish to it. We say a big thank you to Akosia for showing us how to make her okra stew. Thank you all for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't, and don't forget to leave a comment and a like. Bye.